Welcome to this unboxing video. Previously, I unboxed a monopod YT228 Yunfeng. Check that up there. And also, I unboxed a 3-in-1 tripod YT9928. Today, self-picture monopod that I'm going to unbox now. If you've not subscribed, please do, and do not forget to click on the notification bell for more video updates. It has features that are quite amazing: better angled picture, flexible mobile holder, sturdy working width 425 to 1250 millimeter, and it weighs just 235 grams. Let's see what we have in here. Yunfeng 1288 comes with this Bluetooth shutter, the cable to charge the Bluetooth shutter, and also the mobile phone clamp to hold your phones steady and firm. The overall feel of Yunfeng 1288, it is quite light and also sturdy. It has a rubber anti-slip grip here to keep your palms firm on it so it doesn't slip off even when you sweat. I also observed it has this space in here to keep the Bluetooth shutter safe. Action cameras can be screwed on here. And this mobile phone holder can also be screwed on here. The beautiful thing about this is you can just easily move this and it is screwed on and is firm. This clamp mobile phone holder can be moved 180 degrees, and also it has this lock function here so you can keep this clamp steady. Overall, this makes this Yunfeng 1288 a 3-in-1 tripod because it has the Bluetooth shutter, and also you can use this with your smart cameras, and also with a clamp you can attach your smartphones. Yunfeng 1288 has a 3-lock system. This basically enables you to decide what length you want to adjust according to your needs. And here's the lock. As you can see, it doesn't slide in any longer. The length of this tripod is 1250 millimeter. In my previous unboxing of YT228, I showed you a stand, and this can be used on this, as you can see. What do you think about this review and unboxing? Do not forget to click on the notification bell for more video updates and leave your comments below. Thank you.